Hi everybody, I'm Kitty Yvonne. So if you clicked on this video, it's probably because lately your eyeliner has just not been turning out that great. So no more worries, please. I'm here to show you a quick trick as to what you can do to help with your eyeliner game. So please keep watching and let's get right to it. Okay, first let's put some primer on, put some foundation. Definitely use a sponge when I apply my foundation. Tarte eyeshadow. Fix my eyebrows. Here we go, some bronzer. And a little bit of blush up on my cheekbones. And now we're ready for the eyeliner. Okay, now this is the correct way to do your eyeliner. So I am stamping the eyeliner on. Stamping exactly where I want the eyeliner to go, making sure I put a very thin line. And now I'm going to go ahead and smudge it out. Smudge, smudge. Now I am going to apply the eyeliner to my waterline. And now for the wing. I'm going to very carefully stamp the wing on. Stamp. And do it very slowly, making sure to get a very, very thin line. And this is the way you should not do your eyeliner. Dragging the eyeliner across your eyes, making a very, very thick line. It just makes your eyes look very droopy and tired. Also, starting from the very corner of your eye, dragging the eyeliner across your eye. Don't do it this way. It does not look good. And then when you do your wing, you just drag the line again. It just doesn't look good. It looks better when you stamp it very carefully. Correct way to do your eyeliner. Incorrect way to do your eyeliner. So the difference between both eyes is this one I did a much thinner line and then I went ahead and I did the waterline. This one I stamped exactly where I wanted the wing. On this one I was dragging the line. I started the line all the way from here and over and then I just drew the line out and it's just very thick, which makes the eye look very weighed down. Versus this side, it's a lot lighter and I started from here and over and I did not put eyeliner into that part. Incorrect way, correct way, correct way, incorrect way. This is the correct way to apply eyeliner and this is the incorrect way to apply eyeliner. Correct way. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.